Chalo, let's start the class. First question: infant mortality rate is defined as which one?
One
Death of
death of infants under 1 year per thousand live birth.
infant under 1 year of age per thousand live births. Yes, that is infant mortality rate. Maternal mortality ratio is expressed per how many live births? Sorry.
1 lakh live birth.
Yes, 1 lakh. Neonatal mortality include death during
First 7 days.
first 28 days. Perinatal mortality include
Late fetal death plus early neonatal death.
yes, that is perinatal mortality. Late fetal plus early neonatal. The revised TB control program in India is called
RNTCP.
DOT stand for
Direct observation treatment short course.
directly observed treatment short course, that is DOTS. The causative organism of tuberculosis is
Mycobacterium tuberculosis.
it is acid first or non-acid first?
Acid fast.
Acid first. Pearl index is used to measure which one?
Effectiveness of contraceptive method.
Lower Pearl index indicate
Less effective contraception.
lower Pearl index less effective or more effective. Less the low Pearl index, more the effective contraception. Pearl index is usually expressed as
Pregnancy per 100 women year of exposure.
copper T acts mainly by which one? Preventing the
Killing
ovulation,
sperm and preventing fertilization.
killing the sperm and preventing the fertilization. And oral contraceptive pills mainly prevent the pregnancy by
Inhibiting ovulation.
okay. So inhibiting ovulation is the function of OCP and copper T
OCP.
prevents the fertilization. Ovulation is done by which hormone?
LH.
LH. Secreted from anterior pituitary.
Anterior pituitary.
The permanent contraceptive method in male is
A vasectomy.
vasectomy. Which contraceptive method also protect against STD, sexually transmitted disease?
Condom.
Lactational amenorrhea method, LAM, is effective up to
6 months.
emergency contraceptive pill should preferably be taken within
24 to 72 hours.
24 to 72 hours. Crude death rate is calculated per
1,000 mid-year population.
1000 media population. Total fertility rate TFR मतलब
Average number of children a woman would bear during reproductive age.
average number of children a woman would bear during a reproductive age, that is TFR, total fertility rate. General fertility rate GFR is calculated for women in age group
20 to 45 years.
15 to 49 years. Replacement level fertility in India is approximately excuse me
Don't know, ma'am. Don't know.
2:1. Okay. Replacement level fertility मतलब average number of child a woman must have to exactly replace herself and her partner from one generation to another. Okay, that is the replacement level fertility in India. Mein, this is 2.1. Birth rate is defined as
Live birth per thousand population in a year.
live birth per thousand population in a year. The most infectious tuberculosis patient is
Sputum smear positive pulmonary TB.
Sputum positive, sputum smear positive, pulmonary tuberculosis. Under DOTS, drugs are provided.
Under direct observation.
Under direct observation. CBNet test is used for
Rapid TB diagnosis and rifampicin resistance
detection. Yes.
detection.
Polio is caused by
Virus.
polio virus. National Polio Surveillance Project in India was launched with the support from who? UNICEF, Red Cross, or UNDP?
WHO.
Who? Pulse polio program was launched in India
1995.
1995. Pentavalent vaccine protects against how many diseases?
D5.
Parts. NRHM was launched in the year of
2005.
2005. National Rural Health Mission. The main aim of NRHM,
Rural Health Services.
Rural Health Service, and launched in the year of 2005.
5.
NRHM mainly, yes, focuses on states
Weak public health sector.
with public health indicators. Yes, which program become part of the National Health Mission (NHM).
Both NHM, NRHM and NUHM.
Yes, both rural and urban health mission. One major strategy under NRHM is community participation.
Community.
ASHA stands for
Accredited Social Health Activist.
Accredited Social Health Activist. ASHA. ASHA worker is selected from
Same village community.
same village or community. ASHA is mainly a
Nurse.
nurse,
Community health worker.
community health worker, not nurse. ASHA program was introduced under
NRHM.
ICD, NRHM.
NRHM. ASHA, ICDS Ongonari workers included in the ICDS, not ASHA. One ASHA worker is generally selected for a population of about
5,000. 1,000.
1000. ASHA helps mainly in
All.
all community mobilization, health education, and maternal and child health service. Route of administration of OPV, oral polio vaccine, is
Oral.
oral, and polio is due to bacterial virus.
Virus.
Virus. India was declared polio free by who in the year of polio free
2014.
2014. Last reported case of wild poliovirus in India was from
West Bengal.
UP. Vitamin A supplementation helps to prevent
Blindness.
blindness. Vitamin A का chemical name
Retinol.
retinol. And ricket is due to deficiency of
Vitamin D.
and scurvy.
Vitamin C.
Vitamin C का chemical name
Ascorbic acid.
and D
Ma'am, decalciferol.
for calciferol. Measles vaccine is
9
for
months.
9 months. Which vaccine given at birth?
All.
All BCG, OPV 0 dose, and hepatitis B birth dose. Pulse polio immunization is usually conducted for children below
5 years.
5 साल. Yes. UIP मतलब stands for
Universal Immunization Program.
which one?
A. Option A.
Universal Immunization Program. Universal Immunization Program or UIP was launched in the year
1985.
1985. And 1995 में क्या हुआ था?
Polio.
Polio. BCG vaccine is given to prevent
Tuberculosis.
Tuberculosis.
DPT vaccine protects against
Diphtheria, pertussis.
diphtheria, tetanus, and pertussis. Ergotism is caused by ingestion of grains contaminated with
Claviceps purpura.
Claviceps purpura. And it is commonly associated with contaminated
Wheat.
rye, not with. Classical symptom of ergotism,
Dry gangrene.
digangrene. Digangrene का cause due to occlusion of
Blood vessel.
Arteries.
artery only. And artery vein both causes
Wet.
Wet gangrene.
digangrene कहाँ पे दिखा जाता है?
Distal
Distal
parts.
parts.
Distal parts. And wet gangrene?
Internal organs.
Internal organs. The toxic effect of ergotism is mainly due to vasodilatation, constriction, hemolysis, hyperglycemia.
Vasoconstriction.
Vasoconstriction. Name two chemical mediator from acute inflammation causing vasoconstriction.
Histamine.
Histamine, vasodilatation.
And leukotriene.
Leukotrienes, most potent vasoconstrictor. Leukotrienes, thromboxane. ठीक है? Vasodilator and bronchoconstrictor is histamine. Okay, dilatation, bronchoconstriction. Convulsive ergotism presents with
Seizure and hallucination.
seizure and hallucination. Which type of hallucination is commonest in schizophrenia?
Audio.
Auditory.
Auditory. Malaria is transmitted by
Female Anopheles mosquito.
Male Anopheles.
and dengue is caused by which one among this?
Aedes.
Aedes.
Kalajar among this?
Lesh among sandfly.
Sandfly.
मैम जीका
क्या?
जीका एंड जापानीज एंसेफेलाइटिस किससे फैलता है? वेक्टर क्या है?
I did not get your question.
Japanese encephalitis.
Spread by which mosquito, and Zika virus is spread by which mosquito?
Zika virus, mosquito-borne disease, transmitted by Aedes.
Aedes.
Yes,
Okay.
Zika. Zika transmitted by Aedes.
Zika transmitted by Aedes. And Japanese encephalitis? This is also mosquito-borne disease, ma'am. Mosquito bite.
Japanese encephalitis
This
is also
is also by Aedes. Japanese.
No, it's not by Aedes.
Japanese
इसका
is
कुछ
by
अलग है.
Culex mosquito. Japanese encephalitis is
Culex.
by mosquito. Okay. Zika virus by Aedes and Japanese encephalitis is by Culex.
ठीक.
The infective stage of malaria for human is
Sporozoid.
Miro.
for human is sporozoid, and infective stage for mosquito,
Gametocyte.
gametocyte for mosquito and sporozoid for human. Multiplication of malarial parasite in the liver cell is caused
Encystment.
Schizogony.
schizogony. Sexual cycle of Plasmodium occurs in
Human RBC.
RBC.
female Anopheles. Malarial parasite that causes malignant tertiary malaria is
Plasmodium falciparum.
Falciparum.
Plasmodium falciparum. The pre-erythrocyte stage of malaria occurs कहाँ पे होता है?
Liver.
Liver cell. Fever in malaria occurs due to rupture of
Infected RBC.
Infected RBC.
Which species can remain dormant in liver as hypnozoites?
Voids.
Plasmodium falciparum.
Vivax. Mosquito becomes infective when the sporozoites reaches कहाँ पे?
Thorax.
Salivary gland. Which one is largest salivary gland?
Parotid.
Parotid. Epidemic dropsy is caused by contamination of mustard oil with
Argemon.
toxic alkaloid responsible for epidemic dropsy.
Ergotamine.
Ergotamine.
Sanguinarine and dihydrosanguinarine. Classical feature of epidemic dropsy?
Bilateral pitting edema of legs.
Dropsy, that is bilateral pitting edema of legs. Usual oral tradition? C.
Argemon mexicana.
Epidemic dropsy, Argemon mexicana. Epidemic dropsy permanently affects which organ?
Nervous system.
Epidemic dropsy हो रहा है मतलब which one? Capillary.
Capillary causing edema.
हाँ. Endemic ascites is commonly associated with
Millets contaminated with pyrrolizidine alkaloid.
pyrrolizidine alkaloid. Pyrrolizidine alkaloid mainly damage which portion?
Liver.
The weed commonly responsible for endemic ascites.
Argemon.
Lathyrus. Virus, so I think paralysis.
Endemic ascites is characterized by
Portal hypertension and ascites.
Lathyrism occurs due to excessive consumption of
Kesari dal.
scientific name of this?
Lathyrus sativus.
Toxin in endemic ascites?
Veno-occlusive disease.
Toxic amino acid causing neurolathyrism?
Wow.
Lathyrism mainly affects the
Spinal cord and motor neurons.
Spinal cord and motor neurons.
the common manifestation of neurolathyrism?
Paralysis, flaccid paralysis.
Spastic paraplegia. Which organization declared smallpox eradicated?
UNICEF.
Smallpox eradicated who?
WHO.
Yes. Health promotion is included in
Primary prevention.
primary prevention. Early diagnosis and prompt treatment?
Secondary prevention.
Secondary prevention. Rehabilitation of disabled person is a part of which prevention?
Tertiary prevention.
Tertiary. Immunization is an example of
Primary prevention.
primary prevention. Prevention of development of risk factor is also called
Primordial prevention. Primordial.
जहाँ पे where there is prevention किया जाता है before the onset of before the exposure of risk factor, before the development of risk factor. Screening tests are mainly used for
Secondary.
Prevention.
secondary prevention. Lifestyle modification to prevent hypertension.
Primary prevention.
Primary prevention. Epidemiology is the study of
Distribution and
Determinants of disease.
the agent in epidemiological triad refers to
Host factor.
cause of
Cause of disease.
epidemiological triad,
agent, host, environment.
agent, host and environment. Which component describes where disease occurs?
मैम इसका एजेंट ऊपर वाले 90th क्वेश्चन में तो एजेंट इन एपिडेमियोलॉजिकल ट्रायड refers to cause of disease, but जब उस triad के सारे हम parameters बता रहे हैं उसमें तो कहीं cause of disease. अच्छा agent का okay understood ma'am. Agent means पूछ रहा है वो.
Which component describes
But
where?
time.
Where?
Agent है.
Time. Where मतलब time.
Place.
Place
Where place.
where disease occurs.
Time होता है जब the question is when. है ना?
When. Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Who, then person. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Incidence refers to
Number of new cases occurring in a population.
New cases occurring in population.
prevalence मतलब
Total existing case
Existing
at a
cases.
given time.
which study design is best for outbreak investigation.
Case
Cohort.
control study.
Case control. Person, place and time are component of
Descriptive epidemiology.
descriptive laboratory. Vaccine prevents the disease at which level?
Primary level.
Primary.
Primary level. Immunization, which is not a component of epidemiology.
Rehabilitation.
Rehabilitation.
Rehabilitation is which type of prevention?
Four.
Tertiary.
Tertiary.
Disability limitation is included under
Tertiary.
Tertiary.
rehabilitation and disability limitation. Example of secondary prevention:
Mammography screening.
host factor include
Age and
Bacteria.
immunity. Age and immunity.
age and immunity.
Factor.
Disease control मतलब
Reduction of disease incidence to a locally acceptable level.
yes, disease control मतलब reduction to a locally acceptable level. Which of the following is an example of disease eradication?
Smallpox.
Smallpox eradication. Reduction of disease occurrence to Jew in a definite geographical area.
Elimination.
That is called elimination. Continuous monitoring of disease occurrence is known as
Surveillance. Surveillance.
surveillance. Constant monitoring मतलब surveillance. A prospective cohort study follows participants
At one time only. 1 point only.
forward in prospective मतलब forward, retrospective मतलब backward in that sense. Okay.
Okay.
Main disadvantage of cohort study?
Expensive and time consuming.
Yes, cohort study is expensive and time consuming. Which study can directly measure the incidence?
Case control.
Cross-sectional study.
Cohort study incidence.
Ma'am, can you please differentiate between cohort and case control study once?
बोलो क्या क्या होता है बेसिक फीचर. केस कंट्रोल मतलब फॉरवर्ड लुकिंग, सॉरी बैकवर्ड स्टडी, एंड कोर्ट मतलब फॉरवर्ड. ठीक है. कॉज टू इफेक्ट, इफेक्ट टू कॉज, लाइक दिस. और उसका जो कंपोनेंट है मतलब ये जो है क्या बोलते हैं इस इंसिडेंस ऑड्स रेशियो किसी चीज मिलते हैं फ्रॉम कोर्ट स्टडी, सम थिंग्स आर फ्रॉम केस कंट्रोल स्टडी. ओके. और भी क्वेश्चन है और क्या बोलते हैं उसको, स्टैटिस्टिक्स का कुछ पार्ट मैंने दे दिया और दो भी जो क्लास है उसमें और डिटेलिंग में बता देंगे. ठीक है. Which study design provides strongest evidence among observational study?
Observational.
Cross-sectional study.
Cohort study. Loss to
Ma'am,
follow.
Cohort means forward study, na?
Cohort means follow. Yes.
Strongest.
Loss to follow up. किसमें होगा?
Case control.
Cohort study. Cohort study is time consuming. बहुत लेंथी स्टडी, बहुत एक्सपेंसिव स्टडी. उसमें लॉस ऑफ फॉलो अप इज वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है ना. जो स्टडी कंप्लीट करने में बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा उसमें फॉलो अप लॉस हो जाना तो इज वेरी कॉमन. जो स्टडी बहुत प्रॉम्प्टली हो जाएगा, बहुत टाइम कम लगेगा, वहाँ पे तो सब डॉक्यूमेंट्स एज इट इज मिलना बहुत मुश्किल का काम नहीं है, है ना. The temporal relationship between exposure and disease is best established by
Cohort study.
cohort. Yes. Odds ratio compares
Odd of exposure among case and control.
and odds ratio greater than 1 indicates
Positive association risk factor.
yes. Odds ratio equal to 1 matlab
No association.
no association of disease condition. Retrospective study design is commonly
Case control.
Risk control.
Case control.
case control. Relative risk can be calculated in
Cohort.
Cohort study.
cohort. And odds ratio less than 1 indicate
Harmful exposure.
less than 1.
Protective.
Protective.
Protective effect.
Yes. Which study is generally faster and cheaper.
Case control.
Risk control study.
Case control and time consuming
Cohort.
and
Cohort.
expensive is cohort, and loss of follow-up is common to cohort.
Cohort.
Matching is commonly used in
Experimental studies.
case control study में मैचिंग किया जाता है. Okay, case control study. Thank you. Today up to this. कल फिर से PSM class. Okay, and same time.